Hi guys, welcome to another video. So from this video, we are going to talk about the home page of my application that I have created. Okay guys, so I hope you can see my chat application. Okay, this is the sign-in page. I'll show this page from my previous video, from the first video. And okay, now I'm going to log to the home. This is the sign-in page. So if I click on the sign up button, it's called sign up page, and I show this page also from my last video. Okay, now I'm going to show the home page of my chat tab, flight chat. Okay, so now I'm going to give a mobile number of some users. Okay, and yeah, I'll give the password. It's the 456. This user is I have created this average, and this is my home page. You can see I have the icon of my chat app on the top, and the name of my application, and there has a search area, like it's a search bar and a search icon also. Okay, and there has some few users. If I click on someone, let's go to the chat page, and you can see the profile pictures of those users and the name also. And we can view the last chat that the user has sent to the log user. In the top, you can see the time and the count of chats that the user has received from those friends. And okay, now I'm going to show you the code that I have used to um, create the home page. As there are previous pages, you can see some imports. Yeah, I have export a function of home, like in sign-in page. If I show you in sign-in from sign-in page, also I have navigated the sign-in page to the home page. And that has some constant, like constant. Okay, first one is for the search text, and the next one for items. Yeah, I'll show you later. And you can see async function. Uh, yeah, from the previous video, I have discussed about the async function. So async function returns promises that are resolved with functions, return values are rejected with uncoded errors, and you can see so the await keyword tells the program to temporarily exit the async function and resume running it when a given task completes. Uh, and I have found the data and append the user JSON text. And next, it's AJAX request here. And now I have a function called start, and I have used the load friendly to here, and I have used a use effect. So the use of the use effect is for storing variables that are parts of the application step. And also, if we have used some function in the UI, when the UI rendering, it's also calling continuously. But if we use a use effect function, um, the function is calling only once when the UI calling. Next, my UI part, you can see I have a step area view. So we use a safe area view to render content within the safe area boundaries of a device, and in between the safe area view, I have created the other components also. And now that has the text. Yeah, it's my software name, flight chat. As I used before in sign in, you can see it's also the same because I have added different colors to flight and chat to those two words. That's why I have separated. And now that has a view. Inside of view, I have created touchable opacity. Actually, it's a button to info. It's another page in my chat tab. I'll explain that page from another video also. So this is image to add my logo, my chat icon. You can see my chat icon on the top of the page. And there's another view. Inside of this view, uh, I have given text input. You can see the text input on the top. That's mean it's the search bar. And yeah, I have some CSS parts to that search bar also. And now it's another button that it's a search icon. You can see a search icon. So in that button, I have used on press, and in the on press, I have called function of dot friend list. And now the icon for search. That's the end of that view. Next, from a flat list, I have run the item, and it's yeah, I have written the UI. Next is another function. It's called as a function, and yeah, I call it on the chain text. And next, another function for item UI, and there has UI part. In the UI part, you can see a pressable, and there is a element called pressable. Yeah, this component is pressable because it's like a button, and there's on press. In the on press, I have called function of M. The function of M is this one. And next, inside of a view, this is image to the users. You can see in the friend list. Yeah, there has from this line I get the profile picture of each user, and from another view we can see I have take the name and message. For example, the first user is Heshan. Okay, from this I have take his name, and from this line I have take the last message, and from another view that's where I have used this to put time and count. You can say the time, the last message from Kesha, and the count of the messages. And now I have written that UI2, and this is the function of M. Yeah, you can remember I have called it in here principle. From this one, yeah, I have used it to take the name of the user and the ID and the picture. And now I have navigate this to chat. Chat is another page for the application. So when I click on someone, let's go to the chat page. Yeah, you can see now. And the next function is info. Yeah, I have used the function for another page called info page. And now this is the CSS part. You can see my CSS part like this. I have used it to um, give some styles to each component. And yeah, I have to say, if I use touchable opacity instead of a pressable, let's see what will happen. I'll give touchable opacity, and I should change the pressable last to touchable right here also. Okay, now you can see in my chat tab in the home page, if I click on someone, it's it's different than the pressable. If I do pressable again, it's not happening like the touchable, and I'll keep the touchable opacity instead of pressable. Okay, so this is the code for my home page. Now I'll show you how to use the search bar. If we want to search someone, we can use a search bar. So if I search someone like this, it search we can find that friend easily. And if I use another, you can see like this. And I search another one from R, and if I use RO, and another one, and it's show here we can see that friend um, from the list. And so from a search bar we can easily find a friend to chat. So that's all in my home page. See you guys later from another video.